Think apple cider vinegar is just an old folk remedy? Think again. Today I'm revealing 5 science-backed health benefits of apple cider vinegar confirmed by medical studies. From lowering blood sugar by 8 mg DL to accelerating weight loss, this simple fermented liquid is proving its worth in modern medicine. Apple cider vinegar contains 94% water plus acetic acid, the key active compound. It provides trace minerals like calcium, magnesium, iron, zinc, and potassium. This simple composition has garnered significant medical attention as a health optimizer. First, blood sugar regulation. A study in BMC Medicine showed apple cider vinegar reduced fasting glucose levels by 8 mg per deciliter in type 2 diabetes patients. The acetic acid improves your body's insulin response, helping stabilize blood sugar when used in moderation. This should complement, not replace, medication under medical supervision. Second, powerful antimicrobial effects. Research from the National Center for Biotechnology Information showed acetic acid kills microbes causing food poisoning and skin infections. This explains vinegar's historical use as a natural antiseptic. While not replacing modern disinfectants, it's valuable for home remedies and natural cleaning. Third, scientifically proven weight loss support. A 12-week trial in the British Medical Journal showed obese individuals consuming daily vinegar experienced significant decreases in body weight, abdominal fat, and waist circumference. Acetic acid promotes satiety, increases calorie burning, and reduces fluid retention. However, it must be part of a balanced diet with physical activity. Fourth, oral health improvement. Specialists recommend diluting apple cider vinegar as mouthwash. Its antibacterial properties target germs causing bad breath. Important warning: never use undiluted as high acidity weakens tooth enamel. Always dilute, rinse with water afterward, and maintain regular brushing and flossing. Fifth, enhanced digestive health. Apple cider vinegar improves digestion by stimulating stomach acid production, essential for breaking down food and absorbing nutrients. Unfiltered varieties contain beneficial probiotics, supporting healthy gut bacteria balance, strengthening immunity, and preventing bloating and malabsorption. Here's safe usage. Start with 1 to 2 teaspoons diluted in a large glass of water before meals. Never consume undiluted as it damages tooth enamel and irritates throat and stomach. For blood sugar benefits, take 15 to 20 minutes before meals. For weight loss, consume 30 minutes before eating. For digestion, take with meals. Choose organic, unfiltered varieties with the mother. Important precaution: apple cider vinegar can interact with diabetes drugs and diuretics, may lower potassium levels, and can worsen acid reflux. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should consult healthcare providers. Start slowly, discontinue if experiencing stomach upset, throat irritation, or tooth sensitivity. It's supplements, not replace. Proper medical care. Apple cider vinegar has evolved from folk medicine to scientifically validated health support. Evidence shows real benefits for blood sugar control, weight management, antimicrobial protection, oral health, and digestive function, all backed by peer-reviewed research. The key is using it safely, consistently, and as part of an overall healthy lifestyle. When used properly, this simple fermented liquid can be a powerful addition to your health optimization toolkit. Start with small diluted doses, be consistent with timing, choose quality unfiltered varieties, and always prioritize safety over quick results. Apple cider vinegar works best when integrated into a comprehensive approach to health that includes proper nutrition, regular exercise, and medical guidance when needed. Have you tried incorporating ACV into your health routine? Share your experiences and questions in the comments.